And so really this begs the question of where does this leave design in all this? How does the pace of AI developing affect the processes of design and how we like to work? So some concerns about AI and maybe why there might be a slower adoption process for some folks in the design community are, I can think of three major things. One being job displacement, right? A lot of people are worried about, how this will replace their skill set, their processes and their jobs. And so they're kind of unwilling to use it because they see this as this demonized thing that is going to eliminate their careers essentially. Another concern would be ethics, right? Where is this data coming from? Is this data ethically sourced or is it kind of aggregated? That's kind of a muddy area, obviously. And, we can get into that, but that's not what this video is about. But that is definitely a concern in the design community. And lastly, the atrophy of human creativity is the last concern. And actually one that even I have thought of myself as I was using the tools is a lot of these things we were trained in to do in design school and that we perfected over time, such as sketching and things like that. Do those skills atrophy? And, does that affect how we as designers actually think, design, execute, etc. over time once we no longer are using these skills? However, at least for right now, until this becomes complete Skynet, I think the benefits outweigh a lot of the concerns.